Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be opening Tote. Tote is a clothing subscription box, monthly subscription, which you pay $79 a month for classic or $89 a month, and you'll get pieces in the mail for you to use as many times as you like during that month, and then you just return everything. And if you decide to purchase something, then you'll get up to like 50% off the retail price. So you get a really good deal on the clothes if you end up liking something from there. So my first Tote, all the pieces were really nice, but the fit was just not there, to be honest. But I did end up buying one pair of the pants that did fit, and that's all I was able to wear out of the 5 items, unfortunately. But I think to make it up, Tote is gonna put, I think, an extra 1 or 2 extra items in this tote for me. So I do have a referral link if you would like to try Tote, Tote for free for 30 days. I'll put the link in the description below, or you can message me and I'll send you the link. Okay, so let's get started. This is what it looks like. And then you get a personalized note. Hi, Elizabeth. And then it's going to tell you what you got. So I got 2 items in this box. I think this is the makeup box. Your bonus box is here. Here are some important details about your bonus tote. You have 30 days from the ship date to wear, enjoy, and return the items in this tote. Okay, so this is the bonus box that they sent me because of my experience with the first box. And then I got a $100 wine voucher, which is always good. Cool, I'll try that out. Okay, very nice. There's this dress. It's like a gray. It's got like this black slit. Pretty cool. It's very different. I don't have anything like this. Got the slit in the front as well, and it's 3/4 sleeve, and then it's got this cute little cut on the sleeve. That's nice. And zipper in the back. I like it. Okay, so let's see what this one's about. This dress is by August 1/8 hidden pleat dress. The tote sale is $13. It's 87% off. So if I want to buy this dress, it's only $13. So pretty cool. So I got size medium. We'll see how it fits later. I did post a Tote unboxing, my first one, on YouTube, so you can check that out. But I did not do an unbox. I did not do a try on because it was like my first one, so I was pretty shy. All right, and then this is the little blazer. It's kind of, the material feels a little bit itchy. I don't think it's warm weather appropriate, but I'll give it a try. This one is by Ava, the brand Ava. The total sale price is $18. It's 80% off. Very good. It's got like some little shoulder pads here, some tiny little shoulder pads. Nothing too big. I like the color a lot. I really hope that it fits good. And it's got like this slit as well. I guess the theme is slits today. It's got this slit on the arms. That's what I was really attracted to it for that. So it'll breathe, I guess, in that area. So that's pretty cool. So, and then it's got 2 buttons on the bottom. I like it. It's cute. And then little pockets. They're actual pockets at work. Okay, so I'll try them on in a bit and you let me know what you think, okay? Hi, so here's the blazer on. I really like it. I already had this black dress on, so I went ahead and threw this on top of it. It isn't too itchy now that I'm wearing it, and there's a lining inside, which is really good. I like that it has a little bit of spandex, so if I wanted to button it, I could. I love the sleeves. It's just so different and pretty cool. So I like it, I think. And this is a size medium, so if you do see it on the website, so you know, this is how it fits. Well, here's the dress, and unfortunately it does not fit. It's too tight. I'm you know, it doesn't fit around here the way it should. It's tied around here. I do love the pockets. I love the style. I really wanted it to fit. I guess I'm going to be having to go up a size when I get my Le Totes. So that's unfortunate that it didn't work out. So I'm going to have more time wasted without something new to wear, which was my goal, is to find new clothing, new styles to wear. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'll request a large and see how that fits, and I'll do a try on as well. So thanks a lot for stopping by, and if you can support my unboxing journey, please subscribe and like this video. Bye.